Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel, and here is Halo Smartwatch 2, which is a very budget oriented smartwatch from Halo brand, which is also making some very cheap and good quality of product of electronic product. Also they are very famous in TWS area and smartwatch area. So currently previously I have reviewed one of my so recently I have done a review of this smartwatch fit, and there is a smartwatch 2 from Hello. These both are very similar. I will show you. And here I have a Hello smartwatch watch 2. So why I am going to compare this? Because they have the same design. I think the design is same, and the almost over all things are same. So this is a very budget oriented. This is 76 dirham and this is 138 dirham. So the price is just double. Now let's check, is the uh, this smartwatch worth buying, and their price is justifying what they are giving, because already Huawei has already Halo has the same design pattern, same everything, almost all specification and design, everything is same, but their pricing is half of this price. So this is 78 dirhams and this is 138 dirham. So guys, let's open this first, then I will compare this with Halo in a comparison video. First I will show you what we are getting inside the Halo smartwatch. So this is the box pack. You can see the design is exactly the same, everything is same, they just changed the strap. And here you can see 2.5D curved dual sports mode, sleep management, 20 days battery standby, all day heart rate monitor, and HD color skin display, which is 1.4 inches. So you will get inside this is 4-month used smartwatch, so I will not give you the full unboxing. I'll just show you what you are going to get. So this is smartwatch you will get inside, and this is the charging dock. This is the charging dock, magnetic. Okay, so it's a very old. I will not tell you that this is recently bought. This is 4-month used smartwatch, so keep it aside. So this is the smartwatch. You can see the strap quality is very good. It's a very budget oriented smartwatch, but as per the price, the quality they have, they given a good quality of a strap. It's a very soft and skin friendly. And here is this Hello engraved logo here, and the quality is very good, man. I really love the pricing and also the product. It's only a 78 dirham smartwatch. Okay, you can. So I'll show you how it will look in your hand. So personally I'm using this Huawei Watch Fit. So this how it will look in your hand. So you can say, when you're going to use this, put in your hand, it will look like this. So okay, it's a budget oriented who don't want to pay a lot for a smartwatch. They just want to get the information regarding their health, so they can buy this, no problem. So this is how it will going to look. It's in a black color. So this is a smartwatch. This is a display, 1.5 inches, a TFT display. There's a Chrome button. You're going to touch this and you'll get inside the menu bar, and swiping left you'll get the same breathing exercise, weather, stopwatch, deep sleep, and here you have heart rate monitoring. This is overall status, and you will come to the main menu, and swiping down you have the same thing: status, BPM, sports, weather, sleep monitoring, notification, music setting, and nothing else. This has the same, I think this has the same build quality as they have provided in Soundpits.